Some people ask me, isn't it true, attorney Claus? I'd be better off without an attorney. Don't you just take my portion of the settlement? And the answer to that is, in the cases I get involved in, no. The question is deceptive in a way because it doesn't recognize that the lawyer does so much more than get you money. So let's deal with the first issue of money. Now, it may be true that if you're not injured and you don't have medical bills, you're probably better off settling it yourself, assuming you don't have future problems show up. A lawyer being involved in that case, which is a very simple case, may actually, in a sense, eat up your portion of the settlement. However, when you get involved in cases with physical injuries, the lawyer legally develops the claim so that you receive the claim's true value. Now, the reason the lawyer is able to do that is because the auto insurance companies almost never make you a fair offer, in my eyes. Fair offer being defined is what a jury would give. So if the auto insurance company offers you this much, and any competent lawyer gets you this much, and he takes his portion, you are still left with more than the insurance company would offer you by yourself. Now, this is a generalization, but the fact of the matter is that the auto insurance companies know that they pay a lot more when lawyers are involved. This is why many companies train their adjusters to be nice to you so that you don't get a lawyer. In fact, one insurance company in their actual training manual teaches their adjusters to keep people away from lawyers by being their friend. Now, the second half of this issue that isn't really understood by people that think lawyers take all the money is that they don't understand all the other things that lawyers do. What do lawyers do? Well, they protect you from the auto insurance company. They keep you from making statements that reduce the value of your case. They document and protect evidence, such as witness statements and any kind of damage to your body or your property. With regard to medical providers, they help you make sure that you receive proper diagnosis, treatment, and documentation of all your injuries. Watch to protect you from your overbilling of doctors and help keep you out of collections. They make sure the documentation is in a form that you need to give an insurance company because it is your obligation to prove your claim. With respect to health insurance, Medicare, and Medicaid, the lawyer helps make sure that they pay when they are required to pay and to make sure that when you settle your claim, you do not jeopardize your insurance benefits. So a lawyer does a lot more than just get a settlement. So even if you just got the same amount of money, with or without a lawyer, the lawyer is actually very valuable. This is the point that many people don't seem to understand. The lawyer protects you from many groups of people and makes sure you don't step on those potential landmines in the personal injury process.